Good morning, everyone. This is Marshall Gittler bringing you the morning comment for December 17th. Well, yesterday's move clearly smelled of panic in the markets. The nearly 20% drop in the ruble grabbed the headlines, but also Euro Noki rose nearly 7% in 2 hours and then totally reversed that move in the next 4 hours. Now, Russia has big problems, but Norway? Clearly, it's market panic. However, the markets calmed down somewhat by the end of the U.S. day, and many of the bigger moves were reversed. The Russian central bank governor has ruled out capital controls, but that had seemed to me to be the only way to keep the currency from depreciating further. Oil also fell further yesterday as the market continues to ignore all the bullish news for oil prices and focuses simply on the larger, longer-term supply-demand picture. Eventually, the panic should subside, but the technicals show continued strong downward momentum, so I don't look for it to subside today. The big event for today, the FOMC meeting. After the committee ended its QE3 program at October's meeting, the expectations are now that they'll drop the considerable time phrase from their language in the statement. If they do, the market will debate the nuance of whatever they replace it with. I expect that they'll replace it with a phrase that indicates less of a delay before raising rates. The committee will also give new forecasts. Given the data we've had since the previous forecast, I'd expect the growth forecast to be revised up. Nonetheless, the interest rate forecast may be revised slightly down because of lower inflationary pressures. That would be consistent with current expectations of the first rate hike coming around the middle of the year. As a result, there might not be that much impact on the markets at the end of the day. We'll hear more when Fed Chair Yellen holds a press conference following the decision. During the European day, the UK will be the focus of attention. We get the minutes from the latest Bank of England meeting. Once again, the focus will be on the number and names of the dissenters. Did two members dissent, or did Kristen Forbes, one of the new members, join in? We also get the UK labour market data. The unemployment rate is expected to have declined slightly, and average weekly earnings accelerated, which could boost sterling. The US CPI and trade data are also to be released. The CPI will be of less interest than usual because of the FOMC meeting. In the political sphere, the Greek parliament will vote for a new president. It's pretty certain that the government's candidates will fail to get enough votes, which means another vote in 5 days. It's likely they'll fail to get enough votes then, too, necessitating a final vote on December 29th. That's the key date for Greece and for the Eurozone. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google+ to get more trading ideas. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.